The numerous health advantages of coconut oil are widely known. The ability of coconut oil to alleviate the signs and symptoms of hypothyroidism, or an underactive thyroid, is a more recent discovery. When the thyroid gland in the body does not produce enough hormones for the body to operate properly, hypothyroidism develops. Lauric acid, a fatty acid found in coconut oil, has anti-inflammatory properties. Capric acid, which has antiviral and antibacterial effects, is another component of coconut oil. For the greatest health advantages, extra virgin coconut oil is advised. Daily consumption of 1 tablespoon of extra virgin coconut oil is recommended. It can be included in daily cooking, poured over a salad, or blended into hot drinks like tea or coffee. In today's video, we'll talk about some health conditions that coconut oil can help with. 1. Losing weight. Unexpected weight gain is one of the most serious signs of a thyroid that is not functioning properly. The thyroid hormones directly slow down the body's metabolism, making weight loss extremely difficult. According to a study published in the Journal of Nutrition, the fatty acids in coconut oil help the body feel fuller for a longer period of time. This may help the body lose excess weight in the process. 2. Metabolism. The body may experience exhaustion and a lack of energy when the thyroid is underactive. The fatty acids in coconut oil aid the body's conversion of fats into energy. In turn, this accelerates the body's metabolic rate. 3. Inflammation. Muscle and joint discomfort are primarily brought on by an underactive thyroid due to imbalanced hormone levels. Natural painkillers and inflammation reducers may be found in coconut oil. 4. Constipation. The digestive system and intestines lag when thyroid hormone levels are low, because the body as a whole functions slower. Coconut oil's fatty acids give the body energy and improve organ performance. Additionally, coconut oil is useful in treating constipation and acting as a natural laxative. 5. Dry skin. The body's skin can become dry and flaky due to the hormonal imbalance brought on by hypothyroidism. To restore hydration and healthy skin, coconut oil can be applied directly to the affected area. 6. Loss of hair. Your hair's health may be impacted by your thyroid, and it could even start to thin. But including coconut oil in your routine will stop this from happening and help heal your hair follicles. Have you ever had a thyroid that was underactive? Have any of these treatments been used on you? Please tell us in the comment box. Give the video a thumbs up and share it with your friends if you enjoy it. Join the channel for more advice and recipes.